Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, there's a couple of things we're watching this week. Of course, we're watching earnings. We're really in the thick of earnings season right now. And when those come out, that's going to affect the market in general, especially towards the end of this week where we have some of the big tech names announcing. Now, as far as the end of this week, the other big thing is the employment situation, the jobs report, non-farm payrolls, whatever you want to call it. It's happening this Friday, and it's a big deal. So the rest of this week, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some lower volatility, but Friday, all eyes are going to be on Friday. That's what we're all watching. That's what we're all gearing up for. That said, hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, TradeSmart.